Okay, so I'm gonna do this face off right here, and I've never used a mill machine by hand, let alone CNC. So this is exciting to me. I'm hoping I got all the measurements right. So I'm just taking off probably half a millimeter, if that. Leaves a nice smooth surface, one pass. It's showing multiple passes, but I decided to use this butterfly cutter. You can speed it up because this takes a little bit of time. But I need to dial in for example, when I draw the part, I start off on this corner over here, and I'm used to starting on this corner on the CNC plasma. So what would happen is it would go to the stop and it would just not do anything. So I have to figure out the depth of cut, how far I need to go down. Right now I just did it by hand over here. So I'm just learning this stuff when I don't have anything else to do, because right now I'm in the process of getting a friend of mine's turbine done, which that's the head of it right there. I got to sandblast it and sand it and weld some parts and put a shroud over it. But since I'm waiting on some parts, I figured it's a good time to get to know my mill machine. So right now, I'm just going to stop it. And I didn't let it go all the way through, but sorry, kind of went off camera there. I didn't let it go all the way through, but this thing is smooth. I mean, really smooth. So I'm just getting familiarized with it. Anyway, that's about it.